Hey everyone, today we are going to install and set up VMware Workstation Pro on your computer. Let's get started. First, we just go to Google and search VMware Workstation Pro. You will find the website of VMware, just open it up. Select download link on VMware Workstation Pro. Then you will be redirected to Broadcom website. VMware is now under Broadcom, so you need to register at their website first. It's free to register. When you have done your registration, you can open the download link again and log in with your username and password. You will then be redirected to homepage of your Broadcom account. Now there will be navigation there. Select My Downloads. Then there will be link to free software downloads. Click on the link. A new page will show up, and here you scroll down and search for VMware Workstation Pro. Click on the link to VMware Workstation Pro. Now you are navigated to VMware Workstation Pro product page. In here, I want to use VMware Workstation Pro 17 on Windows, so I select that one, and then I choose the latest release for the product. Then you are redirected once again and you can download VMware Workstation Pro 17. After downloading, you can install the VMware Workstation Pro 17. I already had VMware Workstation Pro 17 installed on my local computer, so I don't need to do it again.
There is another tool that we need to download for our VM. Navigate back to my downloads page and click on the free products link again. Now, scroll down and search for VMware Tools and then click on it. There will be multiple versions of VMware Tools, just select the latest version. There will be choices of VMware Bundle Package, just download the installer for VMware Tools for Windows, no need other packages. Okay, now, we need to download Windows Server Installer. We can download Windows Server Evaluation Edition for free from Microsoft website. While we are downloading the Windows Server ISO, if you have not installed VMware Workstation, then install it first. Alright, now everything is ready. Now we can set up our first virtual machine or VM in our local computer. On VMware Workstation, choose Create New Virtual Machine. Then you select the Windows Server ISO that had been downloaded before. In here I use Windows Server 2022. Next, for product key license, just skip it because we are using Evaluation Edition. Then you can configure VM name or later rename it. Choose the directory on where this VM will be stored. Also choose how much disk space this VM will use for its hard disk. I just use default settings for now, and then finish this up. Now we have our VM here, but don't start the VM yet. Open the VM settings and then remove floppy. Floppy can disturb Windows Server installation on VMware. Then we can start the VM, let it load until boot menu. Press any key here. Select Windows Setup, and let it load again. Then a pop-up window will appear, and this is just like installing normal Windows on computer. Select the language that you want, and your region, then continue. Next, I choose Windows Server Data Center Evaluation with Desktop Experience, so I can have desktop interface. Then just set up your disk for Windows installation directory, and just continue and wait until installation complete. Your VM will automatically restart and finish up the process. After everything finished, a pop-up window will appear. Here you input the password for the local administrator of the Windows. Alright, your Windows server is up and ready to be used, but there is one more important thing to do. Notice that the appearance of the Windows is not good? We will fix that. We need to install VMware Tools so your VM accessibilities and functions are not limited. As of now, we cannot copy or move files or folder directly to our VM, but we need to get our VMware Tools installer inside. Here is the easiest trick. Use UltraISO or any tools that can bundle your installer into an ISO file. Open up your VM settings, and then at the part CD, DVD, browse your VMware Tools installer that had already been bundled into an ISO file. Now inside your VM, open up the ISO mounted and copy and extract the VMware Tools installer. And then open the extracted installer, look for Windows disk image file, and mount it using the Explorer. Now, you can finally open the VMware Tools installer setup. Open the installer setup, and then for this VM I just choose typical installation because I just need standard functions. Let the installation process finish and restart your VM. You should notice that the appearance of your Windows server now follows your local computer resolution. After the restart finish, you can also now copy or move files and folder into your VM, or copy or move your files and folder from your VM to your local computer. Okay, that's all. Congratulations! Now you have a fully working Windows Server virtual machine on your local computer using VMware. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.